I was sent this kitchen scale for my review, and this thing is awesome. So I've been using a smaller kitchen scale for a while now, and this one does a few things that mine doesn't. So let me show you. So a couple things right off the bat. Absolutely love that this will actually come off, because oftentimes I'll throw things on the scale, and then when you're trying to wash it, you want to be careful because there's batteries in there. And so the fact that you can actually lift this off and then wash this, that makes it a whole lot easier. It does come with batteries, but you also can have it plugged in if you want to, which I think is really cool. So let's go ahead and I'll turn it on for you. So I just have to turn it, hopefully you can see. So then right now you have your mode. So then, you know, you've got your milliliters. This one has kilograms, and then you have grams, and then you have ounces, and you have pounds. So I think that's really cool. So let's say, for example, I wanted to weigh out some pasta. So when I go ahead and put my bowl on here right away, like obviously it's going to start weighing my bowl, and I'm like, no, I don't want to weigh the bowl. I want to weigh what's in the bowl. So this is the little clear button here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So it's going to zero it out. The other really cool thing is, so let's say I wanted to figure out how much money I was spending, like after I purchased, you know, this pasta, like how much is going to cost me for this bowl. So let's pretend I bought this box of pasta, and the box of pasta, I know that's insane, but let's just say it was like $4. Okay. So I paid $4 for my whole box of pasta for, you know, per pound. And then now I'm going to go in and let's see. So I start weighing this out. And then, so now it's going to tell me, so let's say I eat this much pasta, it's going to tell me that it cost me 66 cents. So I think that's pretty cool. So if you're like, you know, not only trying to like weigh your food, but if you're also on a budget and trying to figure all of that out, you obviously can do that with this. I think that's cool. I've never seen another scale that does that. And yeah, you definitely can then just circle through. So let's say I was, you know, doing my pasta, but I wanted to add something else, then I can just, of course, clear it and then add whatever else I wanted to. But yeah, if you are looking for a very fancy kitchen scale, highly recommend.